All right, I'm gonna take those scrap wood that I pulled out and make legs and stuff for the table. I made an amazing video Sunday, and I'm not so sure what really happened. And I spent hours just trying to retrieve it for this table, and I just decided I would take 2 days off. So I'm back on the scene again. So um, I already cured 95% of it. So I did the top, the bottom, and the other edges. So now I have to get a wire brush and a grinder and come in and shell off and knock off all the water damage section that this has. You know what, this might be cedar too. It looks like that right there give me an indication that it might be cedar. But yeah, I have to come in and knock that stuff off. So while I allow this side to sit in the sun for a few hours and cure and dry, I'm gonna get set up and start prepping and making my legs and stuff. I gotta run this extension cord. I already run the first 50 feet. I got this chop saw set up, miter saw. So from here, it's just have to get things going. All right, I got the extension all ran and hooked up and connected. Now I'm about to get the saw set up and get squared off and get going. Yeah, let there be light. Let there be light. I jumped the gun and cut the end without turning the recorder on. Cutting the legs to 30 inches. Giving myself a little leeway. A homemade pencil. All right, the next phase, I'm gonna turn that into 4. So I'll get that phase going. Then once I have everything all squared up and set up, then I'll show you how I'm gonna get it cut and put together. So right now what I'm getting ready to do is get that log squared off, measured out, and see if I can get some 2x2s out of it. 4 2x2s. Gonna do my first 2x2. Pull from here, 2x1, 2x1, and then draw scribe my line. This wasn't gonna cut it. All right, here we go. The hole is clogged up. Gotta do a little maintenance. Well, let's see if we can include that. Sometimes this gets clogged up. should have picked up on it whenever the sawdust blows directly up on you or at you. That means that this thing is clogged out. For some reason I didn't pick up on that today. When you raise it up like that, you get a couple more inches. See, it's clogged up again. Rotate. Voila! All right. I got my first two, so now let me do my prep work and then get 4. This looks like mahogany too. Right there, that's mahogany. Okay, I got my 2x2 layout on the stock, so now I'm gonna scribe my line and see if I can rip from there. There you have it. All right. That out again, 'cause I don't like sawdust on me. I love carpentry, but I can't stand when I'm covered in sawdust. I want to be clean.
I don't want to get it. Don't. So loud. Take the ball while you're.
that at
this,
home,
you
ladies
fix
and
this,
gentlemen,
Mr. Bob?
unless you're really good, huh?
You fix this?
Yeah,
Is that the symphony?
yeah. I've been sitting in there.
I did about it.
Anything I do, I make sure it can hold my weight or more.
I did about
I make
it.
sure it can hold at
Hey,
least
I did about
maybe
it.
250 pounds
Did
before
the
it goes down.
Well, I'd probably that done 150 pounds.
No way you have that because I'm 130.
Impossible, man. I would think one like 150 pounds. Yeah, like
You more like maybe
leave it.
80. 80. Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much.
All right. Like how this side is damaged, I'll start from here.
Yeah. Mr. Bob, why you not do two videos in one day?
That impossible.
Sometimes I do. I didn't do any yesterday, and
Possible.
That's impossible, but Mr. Bam did achieve.
I want to go over here.
voila.
How you make that board look so?
Mr. Bob,
Because I know how to make wood.
it's
I
a
have the
one
board stretcher.
one mega question.
Why you make board?
No, you don't have to move. You guys want to be in it. You want to watch.
Oh,
Just know that this
yeah.
right here is not a toy, so don't stick your hand in here when I'm cutting. Don't put your hands in there, cause
Right.
right.
I mean, do I see
All
bunny
you can
walk?
do is watch, but don't touch. And if you want to be in the shot, you got to go a little bit. You got to go on the opposite side. Stand behind the level. Yeah. Then if you want to be in the shot, you got to go right next to him. Aiden, do you want to be in the shot? You have to go there because you're not in the shot.
Yes, this too.
Yeah, that's a carpenter's pencil.
Can you use this on to write like kids or something?
Yeah, you can.
They got Resident traffic gasoline.
Smooch here.
I love it.
Voila.
Nothing.
Uh-huh. Legs for a table for that slab over there.
Why that middle there?
Yep, that's how it's curing it.
How does it work when you doing that? How does it work? This?
Legs for that.
Well, you were lucky I am flying.
Yeah, it's gonna be for here in the yard. Yep.
Mom?
I'm cutting it at 46 inches long.
Let me see the pink one. Let me see the pink one. Let me see the pink one. Let's see if it's. What?
You think like see if you can balance it.
That's it.
What, you never did-
Legs,
I never knew
swing,
it that
baby.
long.
Oh, that's short. They have longer.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to mill this up. I already mill the first two pieces. Have it centered. This is my stock. The stock that I want is from here to here, and then when I cut it, this will be the same size.
So long.
Bam, this one is hard.
What
Like,
is
you never
my
know
one
what size
from?
to it?
I don't want to use hardwood because it
What is
means
my one
part
from,
of it
Mr.
is
Bob?
in there.
What is my one from?
Might be ironwood. Hmm?
What is my one from?
Hmm?
What is my one from?
So that I can put it like this. See? Either put it like that or like that.
Uncle Bob?
Yeah. Okay, I'm doing a notch and a catch for it right here. Making that right there.
Mr. Bob.
Mr. Bob the Big One.
I told you.
Mr. Bob the
That's why I don't do that unless you're a professional. It gave me a little bit more issues or trouble because of this right here. No, I don't need that. That trash. Just bring that over here. Can you get past?
Take shoved in here,
Doing
water.
it again here.
The water.
So I'm gonna notch this out.
Go.
There it goes.
Swing mega. Mega has a wing. And then look at what we did the swing.
That thing was
The firefighter.
became a projectile.
Go, go, go.
Don't know if it's
Get
gonna
the
do it here.
head in. Yeah. And that's the last thing I do. Let's go. Go. Little go.
Go.
One more half. Hey, come on. There's a fire!
I got the legs all set and prepped and ready. So now all I gotta do is get the screws and put them in. There it goes. We're gonna corner sink and pre-drill. I don't know if I'm gonna corner sink, but I'm gonna pre-drill. Because this one is hardwood. It's like this is similar to Ipe. It's as hard as Ipe, so you gotta drill it. Otherwise, it's split. This one's split on me. Ipe is a hardwood from Brazil.
No, no, ow! No, right there.
That is hard. Sometimes you gotta unclog the drill bit too. Wow, super duper tough.
You accidentally try to use a wrong board?
Yep, I thought it was my mahogany. Something Maria, something else. This is super hard.
What kind of board that?
I don't know. It feels like maybe might be in our Augusta. It might be in our Augusta, or it might be ironwood. Yep. Then
Huh? Not like that. Put that down. Touch me. Touch me.
when they
Put that down, Rich. Put it down.
drill bit. So it might be ironwood.
How you are straighten this?
Straighten with the legs.
Come here, Rich. We'll go walk.
Then if it needs to be plumb, then I'll pull out the planer. I'd have to plane off some of the top. But I messed up by using ironwood or something. It's super hard.
Uncle Bob, what's on that list to run this play yard? We're happy to
No.
I'm happy because then I have to start all over.
What we doing? No one have a like or this?
What
No
is
one at
this?
night?
Okay. Let it go?
Not just at night, daytime too. So when you're in a dark room, you can see what you're doing. If you're in a cabinet, max.
I think that you have to cut it out because it's not working. It's over here, Mr. Bobby.
So yeah.
I did this one. I
All we can do is hard work.
Just block it.
Nope.